Good morning and welcome to all of you BSc first year students in second semester. Boys, in last period we have seen the natural fish seed collection from the major Indian river systems. The major river system are the 5 major important river systems from which the seed these are to be collected. Seed these are to be collection. Now in this natural fish seed collection in India, we have studied the first or the second point, selection of pond collection site and factors affecting on fish seed collection. First, selection of spawn collection site and factors affecting on the seed collection. Which factors these are to be affect and how naturally seed these are to be collected from these riverine system. These river system we have studying in this second part. Yes, selection of spawn collection site. Selection of spawn collection site. The pre-monsoon surveys are conducted. Pre-monsoon surveys are conducted to ascertain the topography of the terrain and bank features of a site to determine the extent of operational areas. What is the important condition? Pre-monsoon surveys are conducted to ascertain the topography of the terrain and bank features of a site to determine the extent of operational area. The important points. Second, the topography of dry beds and bank features to be gauge. The topography of dry beds and banks features to gauge the the current pattern of the river at different stages of flooding. The current pattern of the river at different stages of flooding. Next important point, the distribution and composition of the fish fauna in the selected stretch of the river, resident or immigrant. The fish fauna these are to be collected. Distribution and composition of fish fauna. Fish seed is to be selected. It is to be stretched of the river. It is to be stretched from the resident areas, or it is to be immigrant coming from the other places for assessing the abundance of major carps. During the monsoon season. These major carp, these are to be from which areas these are to be come, and these are to be spawn, these are to be bred. That's why assessing the abundance of major carps during the monsoon season, it is to be done, it is to be seen. Next, location of tributaries, rivulets and canals along with their main rivers. It is to be done, it is to be first fixed. What is the fix? The location of tributaries, where tributaries these are to be originated, where rivulets these are to be originated, where canals these are to be along with their main river, as they are might constitute important connecting links between the river and the breeding ground, from which areas these connections these are to be done, these connections these are to be seen in the rivers as well as in the breeding grounds. The identity and the accessibility of the site is to be important, it is to be known. For what is the important point? The identity and the accessibility. First we identify the spot, and then after identifying the spot, whether accessibility is to be done, whether assessment is to be done in that spot, in that area, good in condition, in better in condition, then such site these are to be select, such size these are to be choose. The bends and curves of various shapes in the river course often show a perspectives, or the bends and curves. Sometimes in rivers naturally these are to be bends, curves these are to be seen. These curves and bends, shapes of the river's course often show a precipitations or precipitous, fast eroding bank on side called as erosion zone, and a flat, gently sloping bank exactly opposite called a shadow zones. That is, which zones these are to be occur? These are the fast eroding zone and shallow zones. In these shallow zones and eroding zones, net operation these are to be affected, and seed these are to be not collected properly, not collected proper way. That's why collection of spawn site these are to be important. Collection of spawn site these are to be the main feature or the most important feature for the collection of fish. These banks are not useful for spawn collection, where the exactly that is fast eroding slope or the that is erosion zone and the bank zone or the opposite zone, these shadow zones, these are to be not choose, not select for the collection of site. The best seed collection site lie on the side of the sloping bank, but at the spot the current force the seed to the sides by a centrifugal force. Where the current is to be fast, where the current is to be more, at that time or in the these opposite direction, that is shadow zone and the erosion zone, where the current these are to be centrifugal force, and due to centrifugal force seed these are to be not collected, net these are to be not completely operated and is to be hard. That's why such place, such areas these are to be discarded, such areas these are to be not choose, not select for the spawn collection site. These spots are best to operate net to collect the large amount of spawn, where the river these are to be flow slowing, where the river these are to be slow moving, and water current these are to be more depth, and there is no fast movement of water in bottom. Beds are less. Such places these are to be good ideal for the collection of spawn site. The accessibility of the site is to be important to assess the site, whether that site these are to be good for the collection of seed or not. Depending upon this spawn collection site these are to be choose, these are to be select. All these conditions, and when these conditions these are to be fulfilled, the spawn collection site these are to be choose, these are to be select for the collection of the spawn. Pre-monsoon surveys are conducted to ascertain the topography of terrain and bank features of the site, determine the extent of operational area, the topography of dry beds and bank features to gauge the current of water and river at different stages of flooding, the distribution and composition of the fauna, selected stage, residential fauna, then immigrant fauna. Assessing these different major curves in the monsoon season, it is to be done. Locating the tributaries, rivulets, canals, and they might continue. Important connecting link between the rivers and the breeding ground, these are to be done, these are to be choose. Banks and curves, these are to be occur, where that is the erosion zone and the shadow zone. These zones these are to be seen, these are to be identified. Banks useful. Collection of these side these are to lie on the side of the sloping of the bank, and where the current of water these are to be forced side by centrifugal force. These spots are the best operate to collect the net. Such areas these are to be select, such areas these are to be choose. Then factors affecting on seed collection. Which factor these are to be affect, which factor these are to be responsible for the fish seed collection. The first important factor, foods and water current play an important role in the collection of seed. Floods and water currents. Floods and water current. Here not current, here is a current. Floods and water currents play an important role in the collection of fish seed. Second, flood show positive correlation with spawn. There may be 3 or more floods in a season. The carps breed during the flood in the rivers. In the first flood of the season, the spawn of undesirable species is available. In first flood of the season, the spawn of undesirable species is available. The major carp seed is available in subsequent floods. In between the floods, the catches of major carp seed are less. In between the floods, the catches of major carp seeds are less. The availability of spawn are linked with floods. The availability of spawn are linked with floods. In the receding phase of the floods, result in the draining of spawn out of the breeding grounds down the river. Spawn is available both during the daytime and night time. More seed is found in the night catches. More seed these are to be found. Maximum seed these are to be caught. These are to be captured at the night catches. Water current. There is no effect on spawn. There is no effect on spawn when the water current is mild, and no significant effect is seen on spawn up to 0.4 km per hour water velocity. That is water current where there is no effect on spawn when water current is mild, and no significant effect is seen when water these are to be moved, when water these are to be speed up to a velocity of 0.4 km per hour. In such speed, there is no effect of seen on the seed or the brood stock or that is the spawn. With increased water velocity, all these are to be seen, these are to be found. With increased water velocity, all the spawn is carried away down by stream. When water velocity these are to be increasing more, then it is to be affect, it is to be flow with water current, and these are to be entered into the downstream. The slow and gentle current velocity of water, slow and gentle current velocity of water variety from 0.5 to 3 km per hour is the best to collect the spawn. What is the velocity of water to collect the spawn? The velocity of water is to be 0.5 km per hour to 3 km per hour. When water these are to move in such a speed, that speed is to be best to collect the spawn from natural sources, from the riverine sources. While faster current of the water, mild stream carry little spawn. Mild stream carry, or the mid stream carry the little spawn. Low velocities of less than 1 km per hectare are unfavorable for spawn catch. When velocity of water, when water these are to be moved less than 1 km per hour speed, then the spawns or the fry, these spawns fry these are to be not available, these are to be not found in that water. Means for the catching of good ideal spawn, the water velocity these are to be in between 0.5 km per hour to 3 km per hour is to be essential. These are to be maintaining, and below to this less than 1 km per hour it is to be unfavorable for catch of spawn. And in a deep part of the river, in a deep area of river, the spawn is not available due to non-generation of floods. When water these are to be more depth, when the river these are to be more deep in water condition, at that time in this deep water the seed these are to be naturally not available, because it is to be not available due to the non-generation of floods, and seed these are to be not seen in the deep water of water. Hence, where the water these are to be shallow, current action of water these are to be fast in between 0.5 to 3 km per hour, and the depth of water is to be shallow, depth of water is to be less. In that condition, that is the spawn these are to be collected, spawn these are to be captured. That is factors affecting on spawn collection. Factors affecting on spawn collection we have seen. Then other factors which is to be related. Which are the other factors? The other factor these are to be comprises the effect of turbidity. It is also effect. It is also important. Where water is to be more turbid, then less spawn collection these are to be occur, because it is to be harmful for the seeds, and these seeds these are to be not when turbidity these are to be more. pH and dissolved oxygen on spawn availability in the rivers is negligible. pH and dissolved oxygen on spawn availability in the river is negligible, it is to be less. Means pH and these dissolved oxygen these are to be not show a major effect. However, turbidity is associated with floods and determine the efficiency of spawn collection. The turbidity reduces the mesh size of the net, and it is better to clean the nets at a regular intervals. When turbidity, these are to be more, net meshes, net webbing, these are to be entangled, net webbing, these are to be dirty due to the mud particles or the ooze particles, and net efficiency, these are to be not seen. That's why these net, these are to be clean in midway, in mid region. The turbidity reduces the mesh size of the net, and is better to clean the nets at regular intervals. Air and water temperature never show any effect on the spawn availability. That is, air and water temperature and air temperature do not show never any effect on the spawn availability. The optimal temperature is to be 28 degrees centigrade to 31 degrees centigrade, and overcyst condition with breeze and with or without drizzle is found. When overeast conditions with breeze and with or without drizzle is found, ideals for spawn collection. When there is a cold condition, these are to be occur. When breeze condition, these are to be occur. Overeast condition, breeze and with or without drizzle is found, ideals for collection. When there is a drizzle, these are to be seen. ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, हवेची झुळूक किंवा लाट म्हणतो, ज्याला आपण थंडीची लाट, हवेची झुळूक. These drizzle condition, these are to be ideal for the spawn collection. Whenever there is a drizzle condition, these are to be occur. Seed, these are to be captured. Seed, these are to be collect more in condition, more in quantities. The stormy weather is totally unfavorable. Stormy weather, whenever जेव्हा केव्हा वादळी असेल, जेव्हा केव्हा वादळ सुटलेलं असेल, जेव्हा केव्हा पाणी हे खूप हलत असेल, पाणी खूप व्हायब्रेट होत असेल, stormy condition or weathery condition is unfavorable for the spawn collection due to disorder current and waves and uprooting of shoot nets. काय होतं, बरेच वेळेस जर वादळ सुटलं असेल तर वादळामुळे काय होतं, पाण्याच्या लाटा निर्माण होतात आणि लाटेमुळे जाळी किंवा नेट काय होत नाही, व्यवस्थित ऑपरेट होत नाही, शूटिंग होत नाही, आणि सीडसुद्धा काय होतं, frightening condition, and these are to be not captured. Such stormy condition, these are to be avoided, these are to be not choose, not selection. Light also does not show any effect on spawn collection. Light सुद्धा त्याच्या spawn collectionला काही इफेक्ट करत नाही किंवा त्याच्यावर काही बाधक होत नाही. The occurrence of plankton have no connection with availability of spawn or its abundance in river. Occurrence of plankton, whenever phytoplankton is to be occur, whenever zooplankton, these are to be occur, there is no correlation between phytoplankton or the zooplankton and availability of spawn in abundance with the river system or the riverine system. There is no a correlation. This is another important factor. Spawn associations found abundant from the onset of monsoon. Spawn associations, those spawn, these are to be breed, these are to be spawn. These spawn associations found abundant from the onset of monsoon dwindle thereafter to almost nil at the end of the season. These are to be the association, the spawn associations found abundant from the onset of monsoon and dwindle thereafter to almost nil at the end of the all season. When the condition all season, these are to be normal, then these are to be good, these are to be okay. All these are the other factors, means turbidity, pH, dissolved oxygen, then overcyst condition, breeze condition, stormy condition, all these light, phytoplankton, zooplankton, all these are to be affected on the, there is no major or marked situation, these are to be seen affected on the collection of spawn site. And when selection of site and factors affecting on spawn collection, all these factors, temperature, these are to be maintained, air temperature, water temperature, optimal temperature, when all these are to be seen, all these are to be maintained, then and then a good quality and quantity of seed, these are to be collected, seed these are to be captured. With this selection of site selection and factors affecting on the spawn collection. This point is to be completed here. Again, thank you for all of you.